All right, Brian, I think this is yours. Nice envelope, bro.
Nice envelope, bro.
Oh yeah, KF94, that's what he said. Thank you, Brian. Oh yeah. Media Plus Shield, a breath of fresh air. From Abovo Nature. Brian, February 19th, 2022. That's not bad. That's great turnaround for us. Holy crap. Wow. First, let me say thank you for doing the mask testing on YouTube. There are a lot of masks out there, and most of us have no real way to tell if a mask is going to protect us or not. Having someone objectively test them and making the results public is a great help. You got it, Brian. I'm hoping you can test the enclosed masks. Here's the story. Months ago, I ordered some LG KF95 masks on Amazon. Months went by. Ooh, the drama. Then before I got a shipment notice from a package from China, and when it arrived, I found these masks instead of the LG masks I ordered. I got a refund from Amazon, of course, but now I have a bunch of these masks. They claim to be KF94, but they feel kind of sketchy, which is a technical term, so I'm glad you used that. I can't tell if they are counterfeit or not. Please test them so I know at least whether they're worth keeping or just worthy of being tossed in a bin. I like that. I like the duality there. You got it, Brian. Let's do this. Let's get it in the clamper. MediShield, if you are real. Passion Black. You see that? Passion Black. I like that. These seem real. And the reason they seem real is because all the fakes don't use the fancy packaging. 2 keys, nuclear codes, turned, and we're off to the races. Let's try this on. Oh, wow. Look like a ninja. This smells like a mask that was made next to a campfire. So it smells like. It's not that bad. The Korean KF94s, for whatever reason, have this kind of like a little bit of a burning smell. This one's not too bad. It's actually very slight. I'd like the nose wire to be stronger though. And we got a good test, I will tell you that. As you can see, 97.58%, Brian. 97.58, 97.58%, and what? 53.2 pascals. Now the standard on this, 94% and 250 pascals. This is beating the breathability by an insane amount. Not only did Amazon not swindle you, but they hooked you up. This is awesome. This is the best KF94 I've ever tested. 53.2 pascals. I think the record's like 49 or something for us. Probably the Gearson. But with so much less surface area? Dang. This is insane. It does smell weird though. Okay, let's see this. Got to do the test. Yeah, it's not going to come off on your face though. Maybe. Maybe if I really wanted it to. Wow. That's like surgical mask breathability, you're right. All right. Well, that was interesting. Thank you for sending that, Brian. What a great experience Brian had. Some of these people sent these to me like 4 months ago. Here Brian is waltzing in, saying, hey, can you test it on your $100,000 machine? Yes, Brian, we can, and you got a good deal. You're welcome.